Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Leonardo AI. If you are new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Let's start by creating a fresh account for Leonardo AI. Now in order to use Leonardo AI, you need to be whitelisted on their app. But no worries, I'm gonna guide you until you can finally generate your first AI image. So first things first, go to leonardo.ai right here, and on the middle, click the button to get started. Here, as you can see, it says if you are not yet on the early access list, please register below. So go ahead and input your first name and your email address, then click count me in. It will then show you this message that says you're on the list. Now, if you want to skip the queue and get access to it faster, you can go ahead and click here. It will then take you to this new page. Just follow the instructions right here. So first, follow their Facebook page, join their Discord channel, and here, input your Discord name and Facebook name like this. And lastly, input your email address as well. Now be sure to follow their Facebook page and join Discord before hitting submit. And there you have it. As you can see, we are now whitelisted. And if you check your mail, it shows you the same message as well. Now, tap this link right here that says app.leonardo.ai, wait for it to load, then you can finally log into leonardo.ai. So let's go ahead and do that. Since we don't have an account yet, go ahead and click the sign up button. Enter your email and input your desired password. Now just make sure that your password meets these conditions right here. And then click sign up. After that, a verification code will be sent to your email. Input the code, then confirm account. And here, as you can see, we can now create our very first Leonardo AI account. So, input your unique username, then choose your interest. Choose a role, and start using Leonardo. And here, you can see other people's creations, like this cute cat logo for example, and these cool looking canvases. When you look at the left hand side, you can see a bunch of tabs, like this community feed right here. Here, it will show you other people's contents. So let's go ahead and choose one art, like this cool looking Chinese painting. Here, you can see what prompt does this person put in order to create this fascinating image. Also the size and other details as well. Let's go over to personal feed on the left side, and inside you can see the arts that you made. It's currently empty, but we're gonna generate some image later. Now let's start making our very first image. So go over to User Tools tab and click on AI Image Generation. Here you can see a bunch of settings on the left, and at the top you can put your prompts to generate your image. Underneath that, you can choose a fine-tuned model. Now fine-tuned model is kinda like a pattern for your image to paste on too. So go ahead and click on that, and here you can choose your preference, and when you go to select custom model, click custom platform model. Here you can see all Leonardo's pattern. Now for this video, I'm gonna choose this one right here, Dream Shaper version 6. And on the right side of this, you can choose what type of design you want to input. But for now, we're just gonna choose none. And right next to it, you can see this toggle option for negative prompt. Now this prompt is the opposite of normal prompt. So for example, you put something in there like color blue for example. Now when you generate an image, it will not show any color blue at all. Okay, so now let's put our first prompt right here, like this for example. And on the left side, you can choose the number of image you want to generate. I'm just gonna choose 2 images. Maybe add more prompts like photorealistic. And then finally hit generate. Wait a couple of seconds. And there you go. This image is a little bit wonky since we only put a simple prompt and we didn't put anything on the negative prompt. So let's go ahead and try that again. And this time I want to generate something like maybe like this. Okay, let's wait for a bit. And there you have it. It's much better. And this one right here looks good. Also, when you click an image like this, there will be a multiple options for that specific image. So let's try and upscale it a little bit. It's done loading, and as you can see, it smoothened the image that we generate. It's barely noticeable, but it depends on the images. And also, you can delete your generated image if you want, like this for example. When you go back to your personal feeds, your image will be right there. So there you have it. You've successfully generated your first image using Leonardo AI. I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.